Well, it's time for a quick tutorial and a quick update on some upcoming content on this channel. But first, the quick tutorial. Now, fast though this may be, this is still a really important tutorial, one you will probably want to bookmark. And it's all about these little quick release straps or these mold straps that many of you probably have languishing in your shop somewhere. And these little quick release straps are ideal for closing two-piece molds like this. This is a brush-on head mold that I made in a previous tutorial using TC5130F platinum silicone, and I will be linking the two-part tutorial on the end screen, so definitely check that out. Now, for these little mold straps, the way these little guys work, when you get these straps, they're kind of tricky to lace up because they usually come with absolutely no instructions from the China. And the way they work is you take this little clip right here, take that buckle and put it through that clip like that. It'll snap. It almost seems like it shouldn't go that way, but it does. So we're going to take that and flip it this way. And now the striped side is the outside, the non-striped side is the inside. Now we're going to take the end of the strap and go through the bottom hole and out the top hole. And again, that striped side up. So through the bottom hole and then out the top hole. And now our strap is laced. Now to use this strap on our mold, we're going to take the slack out and just take that little buckle and flip it over, and now our mold is closed and ready for casting. And then because that is a quick release strap, you just do like that and it comes undone and you're ready to do the whole thing over again. Now once you've got these little guys laced up, they're real easy to use. You just flip that buckle over and it holds it in place. But when they come unlaced, that's when the problems start, because trying to remember how these little devils lace up when you haven't done it in a while is kind of tricky. So one more time, when you get the strap, it's going to be like this. You're going to take that buckle and push it through like that, flip it over. Take the end of the strap, go through the bottom hole and out the top. And then of course we remove the slack from the mold strap, flip it over, and it's closed. Now this of course is an absurdly long mold strap. I think this is one of the 8-foot straps, but just remember that you can always take an 8-foot strap and cut it to whatever you need. You can't take a 3-foot strap and make it longer. Now I prefer these little quick release straps like this to ratchet straps, just because the ratchet straps are real easy to apply too much tension and crack a mother mold if you're not careful. So these little tension straps like this are ideal for closing ceramic molds or two-piece molds like this. They're just great general purpose mold straps for use in your mold shop. Now, as for the update, I have some exciting new content coming up. Actually, as you're watching this video, I will be on location filming some new content for the channel. So again, stay tuned for that. And of course, check the end screen. On the end screen, I'll link to the part 1 and 2 of this brush-on mold video using the TC5130F, so definitely check that out. And as always, if you haven't already, be sure to like and subscribe. And of course, thanks for watching and thanks for supporting the channel.